boys and girls. Mrs. Hanson here and Lily's here. And we are going to do a science experiment. So this is a science experiment that we are going to do. And we have a cup of water. So you can see I have my clear glass with my cup of water. And then I have my clear glass of pop. So can you guys see the difference? This one has the carbonation bubbles, and this one does not. This one just has water. So, Lily, oh, forgot. We also have our box of raisins. So, we are going to put a couple raisins in each of these cups. And I want you guys to make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen when Mrs. Hanson puts the raisins in the water? Or when Lily puts the raisins in the water? And what do you guys think when Lily is going to put the raisins in the carbonated pop? Let's see what's going to happen. So I'm going to move this down so you guys can see what happens. You guys can see we have our water and we have our pop. I hope you guys can see that good enough. All right. So Lily, I'm going to move. You stand right there. And I want you to put, oops, 4 raisins in the water. You can see there's a little bit of bubbles and they sink right to the bottom. And then I want you to put these 4 raisins in the carbonated pop. Uh-oh. Look what happened to one of our raisins. And look at all those bubbles in there. It's moving around. Look at all the bubbles in our carbonated pop. And is our water doing anything at all? Lily, what do you think? What's happening with our raisins in our water?
They're getting bubbles on them.
They're getting a little bit of bubbles on them. What about our raisins in our pop? What's happening there?
Oh, one raisin is up here.
What does that mean when it's up there? Did it sink or did it float?
It floated.
It floated. I wonder if we find some little raisins. Try this one. Put that one in. Yep. No, I wonder why that one floated. But look, oh, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. Oh, look at that. That one's floating too. And they're do they kind of look like they're dancing?
Yeah.
They kind of look like they're dancing around in the water, don't they? So, our raisins in the water didn't really do much of anything. They kind of got a little bit of bubbles. But our raisins in the pop are dancing around a little bit and they're making a whole bunch of new bubbles, aren't they? Look how bubbly our pop is with our raisins in it. All right, so is that what you guys thought was going to happen? Did you think that was going to happen, Lily?
Yeah.
You did? All right, so let me tell you why the raisins in our pop bubbled and the raisins in our water didn't really do much of anything. So this was called dancing raisins. So a couple of our raisins danced. The other ones were kind of lazy and just sat on the bottom, huh? So why did the raisins, Lily's unicorn ears just poked me in my eyeball. So it says tiny bubbles of carbon dioxide in the soda attached to the uneven surfaces of the raisin. So that's kind of like our Coke, our Diet Coke and our Mentos. Like when it made that explosion, kind of like that. It made it kind of bubbly. It didn't explode, but it made it kind of bubbly from that carbon dioxide. That's the same thing that was in our pop. Yeah, oh, look, that one went up too. Another one went floating up in our pop. All of the little wrinkles on the raisin provide nuclearization sites for the carbon dioxide. When enough bubbles attach to the raisins, it floats to the top as if it was wearing 100 tiny life preservers. So life preservers are like a life jacket. So it helped it float so it didn't sink to the bottom. Those bubbles pop at the surface and the raisin floats back down. Oh, that's why they're coming up and down, because they're popping. So this one, look at, Look at that one, and it's going up and down. So the bubbles are popping, and then that's why it's going back down again. And then hold on, it's going back down, and then it gets more bubbles, and it comes back up. So that one was, let's see, there it goes down, and then let's see if it gets enough bubbles, and then it comes back up. There it goes. We have one dancing raisin. So this creates the effect that they're dancing in the cup. So look at our little dancing raisin going up and down, up and down. Isn't that pretty cool though? Mm-hmm. Whoa. We have one crazy one. These other ones aren't doing much of anything. We have one little dancing raisin that's dancing around in the carbon dioxide bubbles inside of the pot. Isn't that pretty neat? So for our science experiment, all you guys need is water, clear carbonated pop, so it could be Sprite, 7 Up, anything like that, raisins, and you need 2 clear glasses or cups. Doesn't matter how much water or pop you use, but and you can use how many raisins you want, probably not too many so it doesn't fill it up. See if you guys get the same results as Lily and Mrs. Hanson to see if you guys get any dancing raisins or if you guys get some just bubbly raisins. Well, we do have one little dancing raisin and they're dancing around. So I hope you guys have fun. And if you guys do this, make sure that you have an adult with you so you guys don't make a mess. And I hope you guys have fun. Bye, guys. Say bye to my friends.
Bye.